Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to edit the thank you page or confirmation message in Google Forms. First, go to Google Forms and open the form you want to edit. At the top right, click the gear icon for settings. In the settings menu, click presentation. You'll see an option called confirmation message. Click into the confirmation message box and type your custom message. For example, thanks for responding to our form. We appreciate your time. Once you've added your message, click Save. Next, test it out. Click Send and copy the form link. Open it in a new tab and fill out the form. Click Submit and you'll now see your custom thank you message appear. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit the thank you page in Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.